Now we are talking about the surveillance markings corner. In this case, you can see the urban survey pack and rural survey pack, cloud, breaking hole, and drill hole. So this is the ways that we are making the survey case marking corner. So survey marking corner, all the instrumentation you can see in this diagram. Poma Popia survey but the Madari Buam and the Niama survey near Charmes so Eda but the Niatama may Poma Popia Diame to urban survey pack, rural survey pack, cloud, the rosins and knee, now the drill hole. And but the Savina but the Digo, Taina Mehari, Puame, Kriario, Boma, Popia Sayin. So also that this diagram also you can see this can be back and the indicator back. So this is the can be back indicator back for the survey method. And then you also utilize the measurement of the angle. So degree is divided into the 60 minutes and each minute divided into the 60 seconds. 1 second is 1,600 of the 1 degree. So this may seem the very numerical fraction, but the surveyor are used to working down the fraction of this side. The surveyor stated the angle shall be shown in the nearest 5 seconds. So this is for the survey's angle. And also the converting the degree minutes and a second into the decimal. So we also utilize the decimal angle, so degree plus minutes divided by 60 plus second divided by the 3,600. Now, Poma so it can be backness indicator today. So we tell you time it down so degrees minutes second and only time up today. And all not second by into the teacher Popia. Now for Nimia Yellow by the sweet decimal degree of Biang today, decimal Biame, Bianis of my decimal degree, a medical much house about a second 3,600 Sara, Elane, no, Ala Paula and Yida today. Also see the example, you can see the 46 degree 38 minute and 1.5 second. We can convert it to the decimal degree. Poma Popia 48 degree 38 minute and 15 second. No, the degree of Pione, Minajingo, Popia Tanim Chede. Below my check progress bar, or you exercise of Puama Chede. So this is the basic principle of the particular data. We use the particular diagram. So the A says hypotenuse, is the adjacent side, B says the opposite side. In this case, we can calculate A square equal to B square plus C square. So this is the formula we can calculate this particular diagram. Now, Poma Popia so that particular diagram today A, B, C, C, A, Tomaka, Anna, B, Nisa, Anna. Now, C so in the and now, C square, A square, so B square, about A square, C square, and Nide, and Alone, particular view and Bomido, Patuayama. Then we also use the trigate without the right angle. Right angle trigate are the uniform trigate, and the general mode trigate are the oblique angle. So 3 trigates are the different, and no one has the right angle. So the method for the calculating the oblique angle is much more than complex than the right angle trigate and beyond the scope of the module. So those are important rules. The hypotenuse is always shorter than the sum of the others are 2 sides. The length of the any side is always the same magnitude of the opposite angle. And also we also defining the square wave. Now in this case, the diagram is the square wave and the parcel of the lengths. So in this case, square wave can be calculated. So this way we are the part that we got 10, the same parcel of the length by the same dimension, and get formed by the side boundary with the footage and the length of the footage. The square width of the log can be calculated. Now, Poma Popia in EG check out by the Taumanga Nazi, the Cha Ananda who bound up for your Tore, now you are the Cha. Town is a to the swing town at Tamule to Ratchet. A Tamu to the swing at Alumian inside my town at Tule. Now, Poma Popia are square, which of the parcel of the land of Poma Popia Sari, a square with a stretch and each day. See that 80 degree 47 minutes and 15 seconds. So the 80.7875 square width can be calculated. 15.44 side 80.7875, so 15.24 centimeter. So this is the way we can also calculate the square width. And then, so this is for the total width of the building can be calculated. Then we are crossing the distance diagram of the figure 11. 3500 plus 5000 plus 5300 minus 15600 millimeter or 55 centimeter. So 71 degree 14 minutes equal to the 71 by 2333333. Square weight is 16 by 1 multiplied by 71 by 2333333, so the 15 by 244. So available answer will be the 15 by 244 minus 13 by 8, so 1 by 444 centimeter. Now, for the dimension of square weight could try square weight could try the hammer swing 80 degree 47 minutes 15 seconds swing by so 80.787 by yard, square weight 15.44 multiply side 80.787 by swing 15.24 meter ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့အဲ့ဒီမှာဆိုရင်နော်အဲ့ဒီတတ်မှတ်ထားတဲ့ဒီလိုအဆောက်အဦရဲ့နော်ဟိုဘယ်လိုကြည့်နေဆိုရင်အဲ့မှာအဲ့ဒါစုစုပေါင်းနော်အထူး IBD ရဲ့စာ which ကိုဘယ်လိုတွက်လို့ရလဲဆိုတော့3/00 plus 5000 plus 5300 minus အဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်15600 millimeter လို့မဟုတ်15.6 meter ကိုရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့71 degree 14 minutes ကျတော့71.23333ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ square root တာမို့ဒီ61ရဲ့ sin 71.23333ဆိုရင်15.24က degree ရမယ်အဲ့တော့တတ်မှတ်ထားတဲ့စာပိုရတဲ့ access ကတော့15.244 minus 13.8ဆိုရင်1.444 meter ကိုရမှာဖြစ်တယ်I also see this as survey plans. So survey plans are the plans for the creation of the new land title and a second plan for the accompany the survey report. So that will be the type of the survey plan. So plan for the creation of the land titles we already utilize. So in this case, one with the plan of the urban subdivision. So all the line, all the land we can divide it into the survey. နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့ဗာလဲဆို survey plan တွေအဲဒီ survey plan တွေဆိုရင်ဒါမြေအစ်စ်ကိုပေါ်ထုတ်တဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်အဲဒီမှာ plan ကိုချလို့ရတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကအဲဒီ survey report တွေမှာဆိုရင် plan ကိုချလို့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲဒီ survey plan ကိုတွက်တဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်ဒီလိုမြေအစ်စ်ကိုပေါ်ပြရမယ်အေး1 2 3 4 5 6 6စတဲ့မြေကွက်တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ survey ကို subdivision တွေ plan ကိုပေါ်ရေးဆွဲရမယ် survey plan ကိုပေါ်ပြတိုင်းတိုင်းပေါ်နော် survey plan ထုတ်ပေါ်ထားတာတွေ့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်So then the sketch plan attached to the survey report. So we had to sketch the plan. So in this case, as boundary of the parcel of the land, agree with the title description. So do the boundary of the parcel of the land, agree with the title and description of where is the corner of the parcel of the land. So this is the way we had to describe the survey plan. When this survey is carried out, the surveyor normally issues a report on the survey. This report will detail the title description and last improvement and the details of the encroachments or the upon the land. The attached report will be sketch plan of the site. So the plan for the creation of the new title, the sketch plan attached to the survey report will appear to lacking in the detail. So this is for the way of the survey plan. So all those are referred to as a sketch plan. The plan is not sketch but drawn accurately to the scale. The plan shows the sufficient detail to illustrate, and these comments are made in the accurate reports. Two plans are reproduced and illustrated in this type in the sketch plan. One is to accompany the page out the backup survey, and the other for the identification surveys. The survey plan will talk about the comma so in survey plan so in Eddie now popular then so in title Kayela we are notတတ်မှတ်တဲ့ထောင်နေရှိလားဆိုတော့တွေ့ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်လို့ survey plan ကိုဖော်ပြရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ sketch plan တွေရတော့ဗာလေ survey report ပါဆိုရင်တော့အသေးစိတ်တော့ပါမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးဒါပေမဲ့နော် new title မှာဆိုရင်တော့အသေးစိတ်ပါမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ဖော်ပြတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်တော့ page out survey ကိုပြုရမယ်ပြုလုပ်တဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုအစိတ်ပိုင်းရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့ identify လုပ်ရမယ်အဲ့ဒီမှာဆိုအဲ့ဘယ်တောက်တွေကိုဖော်ပြရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အမှတ်အသားတွေကိုဖော်ပြရမယ်အဲ့ဒါဘာလို့ဆိုရင် survey plan ကို sketch လုပ်ပြီးဖြစ်တယ်And then this is the typical the land title, so lot number. Also, you can also see this as survey plan. So survey plans, we can see the lot number and also the plan. So in this case, we also combine with the matrix conversion. So all the matrix conversion have to all the plan. All the survey plan need to be converted to the metric. Now, for that, about the lot number, and lot number never that the plan was for that in today. A comma say who now by muscle imperial unit, PTS unit go metric or convert you are much today. In the example, you can see the inches to the millimeter conversion, foot to the millimeter conversion, and the feet to the meter conversion. So this is the example. You can see the conversions feet and the inches to millimeter conversion. Upon Popiada, so the Lama Guma millimeter of Piana Pite, Pewu, Mitadomo millimeter of Piana Pite, Edicamasi, A Posama, no, Azamedi Piata, the Piane Bioma, Lama de Mi, Pedi Lama du, no millimeter, Piane, no, Azamedi Popiata Pite. This one is the bearing. The bearing we say we have to. So we also know about the bearing. So this is the bearing measurement. So this is the bearing measurement, the survey bearing. So this is the down angle measurement. So this angle measurement we can utilize as a protractor. So by using a protractor we can measure the angle and the bearing. Boma Popiada about the same protractor, the protractor, or Bobiroma, down the Murio, Dyname. The feature of the bearing compass. So compass include the north, east, south, and the west. And the front usually so we measure from the north, so that we engage are going through the clockwise position and the measure up to the 360 degrees. So this is the way that we measure the bearing. The Popiada about the compass computer compass must be the she and now yet the down yet the Yata, a Miaga Nibio, not deny that line, Shepherd Wade, and Shepherd Wabio town the Modigo, to watch out the degree Tina in Chile. Also, surveys are block diagram, so they will be the plan of the subdivision, so all the survey block. Lengths are they are indicated on the plan, and the figure 7 with the bearing direction. Figure 6 about the survey about today, I must see the ABCD, so then you go to Popiatari, and Yabama see the figure 7 out to block town and the block Dina below Duale Surao, Tamata in Chile. More detail on the bearing. On the bearing diagram, we have to show the more detailed diagram and also the bearing and degree and the distance of travel. So you need to be very careful about the direction. Compare the bearing direction of the line with the north point, which is always shown on the plan. Remember that if not draw the direction arrow on the plan and have the D arrow on the figure 8. So in the sense you see that on the figure 8 we have to show the arrow to indicate the direction. Find the bearings and the knot angles. Find knot angles. The answer is fairly easy. Bearings radius and direction of the common origin knots. The angle is isolated and refer just two direction only. Angle and the bearings are different. Bearings are ever indicated knot, reference to the knot. Angle is isolated and refer just two direction only. So this is the difference between angle and the bearing. Poma Popiada was when the bearing but the Bonishi, bearing Maswini, Tamorishi, Idamora, Udija, direction will be found in a Popiata today. The bearing angle was Chala, the bearings are Balaswim Yaupo, Timi Viro, Taida, who today the Vimelo Angle Swallow, the Manakuja, Aqua, we did this. The plan to set it out. So setting out the plan, so firstly we have to set it out and then locate in the first corner. So the first corner here to locate out. So in this case, we have to see the bearing have to be set out so the figure shows then shows the some most requirement and the bearing has to comply. And the lock need to be the salvage and by the two pegs at the front corner and the other at the back. And then you have to string line have to be set up between the pegs. Now the down you start your Dama today. A down the Dama the Kamasway, a down the Dama below a town and Neo Dama today. Robert the Luniama, so in Sabio Sat Paravan Thomas with Peku the Kutaya de Yabioma, or a year as we talk to Pobiade, Pobiabio, a Becanibio, Suelo Yale Line, a Yanivio now bed. Not down who Pobian Chile, and our Palazzo, Panamazo, a corner Sabio, near Charme, Piloma, and our Pomudi, Isam and Mineao, Sabio, Cisiama Chile. With a figure dance are streets are buildings alignment. So we have to align the street and the building alignment. In this case, we see the two pegs are set and then we draw the line. And then so you also see that the figures are 11. If you do corner of the building has to be set out. So in this case, we have to know about the solution of the angle CDE. So CDE will be the bearing on the side boundary is 102 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds. Bearing of the line DC is 19 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds plus a 90 degree, so 109 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds. Angle of the triangle at the C is equal to 280 degree, 289 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds minus a 282 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds. So by this way we can calculate the 6 degree 32 minutes and 45 seconds. And then you also see this as a line. The two lines are going away from you the direction. In this case, the side CD is 6 meter, side CC is 6 divided by the cos 60 32 minutes 45 seconds, you got a 6.039. Side CD is equal to 6 multiplied tangent 6 degree 32 minutes and 45 seconds, so it's 0.688. In this case, square root of the 6.039 square minus 0.688 square, you got a 6. That will be the target. And then we have to calculate this angles ABC. So we have to calculate in the step 2. So bearing of the lines AC is 19 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds. Bearing of the line AB, bearing of the line AC is 19 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds. Bearing of the line AB is 102 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds minus 90 degree. You got the 12 degrees 52 minutes and 25 seconds. The angle at A is equal to 19 degree 25 minutes and 10 seconds minus 12 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds. You got a 6 degree 32 minutes and 45 seconds. So this is the ways of step 1 and step 2. We can set out the solution to angle and the line. Now, for say line if you are line if you are a million charming and technical near child your line was well up to the Africa Dema Yahare, Africa, level my level and national town, Piloma today. And all the town, it triggers CD, not a T, MSW, the road side boundary machine, paid in Damudi 102 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds. So the line that DC machine period or 19 degree 25 minutes 10 seconds 90 degree. Bound the commas way 109 degree 25 minutes 10 seconds. Yama pity. No, try get I see. Mama see the triangle not big and yet town or rob let's say 289 degree 25 minutes 10 seconds here and 282 degree 52 minutes and 25 seconds. No like the comma 6 degree 32 minutes and 45 seconds. Yama today. And I line the swing go near the bio. No, we will do the comma swing size CDR 6 meter today size ECR blue 6 comma cos 6 degree 32 minutes 45 seconds and size 6.039 yard. Side CDR 6 comma tangent 6 degree 32 minutes 45 seconds and the comma 0.688 yama today. And I'm no 6.039 Tataya 0.6 Natalo Nataki Shale comma 6 go yama today. And do the thing at all Eddie down tigers are ABC will 12 today at all. No line the AC machine the 19 degree 25 minutes 10 seconds today. Line AB machine bearing Jalo 102 degrees 52 minutes 25 seconds 90 degrees. No like the comma swing 12 degree 52 minutes 25 seconds or Yama today. A comma swing below A by machine down the 19 degree 25 minutes 10 seconds 12 degree 52 minutes 25 seconds no 60 32 minutes 45 seconds or Yama today. Then we can also see the side AB. So side AB is 1 meter, side AC is 1 divided by the cos 6 degrees 32 minutes 45 seconds. You got a 1.007, and the side of BC equal to 1 multiplied tangent 6 degrees 32 minutes and 45 seconds. You got a 0.115. So the square root of the 1.007 square minus 0.115 square. So you got a 1. So that we can divide the distance CD. So that the distance CD equal to the 6.039 minus 0.115. You got a 5.924. So this is the back marking. The back marking that the corner of the building can now be placed, and then place a mark in the ground of 5.925 along there's a straight line from the corner back. So this is the way that we can put the marking. So this will be then you also see the figure 12, so tie to the second corner. So the triangle is another right angle as a triangle. So in this case, the size FEA is equal to D minus AC. So 0.688 minus 1.07, you got the 0.319. So in this case, a negative value, because the negative value triangle diagram out of the scale. So point F appears outside the line from the G to C. So in this case, the F is between the G and the C, G and the E. Now, who said your problem is in the side AB, side AB 1 beta, fit the side AC, 1 cos 60, 32 minutes, 45 seconds, side 1.007 yame. Side BC, Jalo Leve, 1 over 10 years, 60, 32 minutes, 45 seconds, side 0.15 yard. And over 1.007 on the tap in Bio, now at the Annie 0.15 the tap in, no, Biaman, attack in Shannon, 1 to Yama Pit. Now, I must acquire away, CB out of Blue 6.039 and the 0.15 no. 5.94 Yama Pide. The figure Prima Piata, let's swing the corner machine now to Chile, Madame, Elas Side FED, a DC, the ACO, no right there, that's when 0.6. 880 1.007 no 0.31 and yard. I must say yard Damodi, no, minor pitted, so that the scale alone your. A female your watching pit. And the yellow IF last way, to genus E Jadema, she did in Chide. Hello, Bolane, no, to nearly Mabioma, to back to Yabio Nea, Mabi Niaoa, or China Bioma Aido, or Aim Southima, Niao, Niao, Yedocha, Damama Chide. We can also see the side plan of the proposed building, so you can see it in the diagram figures. That in, you can see the side plan of the proposed building. Boma Popiada, but let's see the Salme as our own the side plan go, Boma, Sama Popiada, and our figure that they might do a market. You can see there's an angle 100 meters, so angulars are bearing. So the horizontally angular is distance with the 100 meter, and then you can measure the angle 15 degree, 0.1 minute, and 0.5 seconds. So this is the way how we can set at the angle. Then we also set at the setting out set the right angle. So in this case, we have to utilize the beta square. To set out the right angle, you have to utilize the beta square. So the step to use the square are align the corner of the square over the point, and from which the right angle is to be set out. Number 2 is align one side of the square along the baseline. This side of the square must be the horizontal. Number 3 is the side along the other arm of the square, and the place the mass on the line of this arm. This mass does not have to be at the correct distance. Distance can be laid in the later. Number 4 is turn the square over and repeat the process from the opposite direction. This should give the 2 marks the square off. Number 5 is mean the 2 marks, and this should be exactly the square. Hopefully, of course, you will only have the 1 mark from using the both side of the square. Now, Boma Popiada, but let's say the town and Boshama. I know, to do Yabin Yidashi with 100 meters, I am 15 degree 0.1 minutes of 5 seconds, and I will 15 degree 1 minute 5 seconds. I town you that. Bureau of Pity. Now, to go to Tauman, most charming swing, the beta square don't be on a pity. And beta square don't be on a swing, the corner, the square is a corner, no, the town, below, to the Yama swing, near Chalayame, Nabioma, Eddie square, no, side the Kugo, baseline, near Charme, and now the car, Eddie Kama swing, a square swing. Now, he been in time of Chitty. And now the child of Pega Nibio, now square the foot at the child, let down Nibio ma, to line a line bomb swing, Mako Mame, not the car, a square, not the Pego Pion Bioma, a new way, the child of Pega, a loose line on Soyami. And so I am the Kuma, Chadema swing, no, Niao, Piana in Juame, Jubioma, a no, Niao, Bama, Elomine, Town Mount, Tama Pity. In the diagram that you can see that the beta square set it up. So in this case, figure 15, this is the so this is for the firstly we set up the beta square, and the beta 16 is a 4 in the square, and then you can draw others as a 90-degree line. So this is the ways of the 4 in the square. And then so in this case, the 4 in the square means that fits the hole in the holding the over the point of the back, and swing the one end of the fifth arm along the baseline, aligning the hole into this arm, the baseline until the angle of approximately 45 degrees is formed. The hole in the corner end of the arm is then at the right angle the baseline, place a mark under the hole. Repeat the process using the other side of the baseline as with the beta square, and this will give the 2 marks. This means that which way this is will be the right angle. And then you also set it out by the measurement. So you also set this figure 16 is that you can set it out the measurement. So in this case, you put at the scale and then you can set it out the measurement. Hello. ဒီမှာဆိုရင်ဒါပုံမှာပေါ်ပြတာ figure 50မှာပါတယ်ဆို beta square ကိုအသုံးပြုရဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ beta square မှာဆိုရင်เนาะဒီလိုအဲ့ pad တစ်ခုမှာဆိုရင်နေရာချပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ pad မှာဆိုရင်နေရာကိုဟိုးပြုလို့ရမယ်အပေါက်ဖောက်လိုက်ရမယ်တွင်းတူးလိုက်ရမယ်တွင်းတူးပြီးတော့မှเนาะအဲ့မှာဆိုရင်เนาะဒီအပေပြထားတဲ့တစ်ဖက်ကနေယူပြီးတော့ baseline ကိုလာချိန်ပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ beta square ကိုတစ်ထောင်မှကြာအောင်ပုံမှန်ပြတိုင်းချိန်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲနောက်တစ်ခါတခြားအဲ့ဒါမေးတခြားတစ်ဖက်မှာဆိုရင်နောက်တွင်းတစ်ခုတူးလိုက်မယ်တူးလိုက်ပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ဒီအမှတ်နဲ့ဒီလိုပထမနေရာနေထောင်မှကြာအောင်လိုင်းကိုဆွဲလိုက်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့လိုပဲတခြား baseline ရတဲ့တခြားတစ်ဖက်မှာလည်းပဲအဲ့လိုနည်းနဲ့ပြုလုပ်ရမယ်ပြုလုပ်ပြီးတော့မှထောင်မှကြာအောင်လိုင်းကိုဆွဲရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့တော့ပထမဆုံးဆွဲတာပါလဲဆိုရင်ဒီလိုအဲ့လိုထောင်မှကြာအောင်ပြုလုပ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်အဲ့ရနေပြီးတော့မှအတိုင်းတာအောင်တိုင်းတာမယ်တိုင်းတာပြီးတော့မှno near that man diagram you can see there's a setting of the beta square so this is for the setting how to set out the 90 degree so figure 17 and the figure 18 you can see the way to the setting out there's a 90 degree and the angle now figure second နဲ့ section မှာဆိုရင်ဘာကိုပြောထားလဲဆိုရင်ဒီလို90 degree ထောင်ရအောင်ဆွဲပြီးတော့နေချတဲ့နည်းဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ beta square ကိုသုံးပြီးတော့90 degree ထောင်ကနေပြီးတော့ထောင်မှကြာ line ကိုဆွဲတဲ့ပုံပေါ်ပြထားခြင်းဖြစ်တယ်We also finishing the setting out. So this is the start of the setting out process. You need to proceed around the building, marking each corner and angle. So the first step we just see setting out, and then from the building around the building you have to set at the mark, and then you have to draw the 90 degree line. And then you also see the final proof. Final proof means that you need to calculate the length of the each diagonal using the Pythagoras theorem, and then the measure for the each diagonal across the side to the points where you have the just placed. So they agree with your calculation, everything should be alright. And then you can see there's this diagram. This diagram shows the setting out method of the just building site. Now, who about this? Do you start in Pobia, start in Mania or Savinia Chala Pity? Edia Nia, the AO Summit, but nearly go no down and line is so wabio, my no, nearly charme, Chade Kama, so in the glue, no. တောင်းပြလိုင်းကိုကြတော့ပိုက်တကူလိုက်ပြီးတော့ပြီးရမှာဖြစ်တယ်เนาะအဲ့လို setting up လုပ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုတော့နောက်ဆုံးရှိတဲ့ပုံကိုတော့ပထမသတ်မှတ်ထားတဲ့နေရာနဲ့ပြည့်ပြီးလည်းပြန်ပြီးတော့ချိန်ကြီးရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ပုံမှာဖော်ပြထား figure 890မှာဖော်ပြထားတာဗါလဲဆိုရင်စောက်မဲ့အိမ်နေရာကိုသူနေရာချပြီးတော့မှတော့သူအကွာအဝေးတွေကိုသတ်မှတ်ပြီးတော့နေရာချထားခြင်းဖြစ်တယ်